weather can make or break your trip. And when it rains, it pours. We took refuge at a local coffee shop in Tanjung Balai and watched the world go by in a wet and soggy morning. While waiting for the rain to stop, I feasted on soto ayam, a popular Indonesian noodle dish, before continuing my journey to another island of Karimun. Our next destination is Pulau Kundur. Located south of Tanjung Balai, Kundur is a part of the Greater Karimun. It has an area of 304 square kilometers and is largely undeveloped. The island is also home to some 67,000 people. We were headed towards Selat Belia, a ferry terminal, and the journey would take about 45 minutes from Tanjung Balai. The boat ride was rough as the sea became really choppy. Once alighted in Selat Belia, we began to ride in the rain towards Tanjung Batu, located some 45 kilometers from the ferry terminal. Barely an hour into the ride, we pulled over at a local grocery shop to have lunch. A kind lady who runs the business offered to cook instant noodles for our riders. What a relief! We have clocked more than 12 kilometers and are 3/4 ways towards our goal. Unlike Tanjung Balai in Karimun, Kundur's main port in Tanjung Batu is a sleepy hollow. This town has a shady past. In its heydays, Tanjung Batu is known for cheap sex and gambling dens. Since then, the Indonesian government's crackdown on vice activities, things have returned to normal. For the informed traveler, there are a few accommodation facilities in this island that are considered decent. If you don't mind spending a night in a musty-smelling room, there shouldn't be a problem. Much of our time in Kundur was spent on keeping our bikes roadworthy for the next crossing to Batam Island, which is located about 2 hours away from Tanjung Batu via ferry. After a long day on the road, it's time to get some rest because the best is yet to come.